प्रोफेसर नित्यानंद साहू विशेषकर अवसर नेला से अत्यंत सक्रिय हो संवेदनजनक भाषा जब 60 वर्ष जीवन आरंभ हुए तेज 85 वर्ष नित्यानंद साहू हुए 25 वर्ष युवक से 25 वर्ष युवक उत्साह नहीं से वर्तमान आसामी भाषा शिखुंट व्याकरण शिखुंट लेखक सहित संपर्क रखुंट और से संपर्क जरिया आज आम देउल आम जहाँ कहूँ देउल देउल जाए मंदिर बा देउल से देउल को से अनुवाद कर वर्तमान आम शुणा जे मूल लेखक आसाम डॉक्टर जयंत बरा से आसाम साहित्य जगत में एक परिचित व्यक्तित्व से केन्द्र साहित्य अकादेमी पाई 2017 मरिया घटा उपन्यास एवं 18टी उपन्यास लिखिं 10टी गल्प 2टी गवेषणा ग्रंथ किंतु से पदार्थ विज्ञानी फिजिक्स प्रोफेसर एवं वर्तमान आसाम शिक्षा सचिवालय जन अधिकारी भाव में कार्य कर पदार्थ विज्ञानी जिते से आसाम को देखुची तार इतिहास तार संस्कृति को से उपन्यास प्रतिफलित कर आम वर्तमान प्रथम शुणा डॉक्टर बरा
परम श्रद्धार श्रुतिबृंद मते एपरी गरिमामंडित अनुष्ठान को निमंत्रण करिब पाए आयोजक को कृतज्ञता जनाऊँगी और आपण सम्मानित अनुभव करुँगी। I heartily apologize that I unable to speak Oriya properly, but I want to speak Oriya because I have a dream that one day I would convey my feelings before a prestigious Oriya Sahitya Samaj in a proper way. Today, the dream has become a reality as 2 of my novels have already been translated to Oriya. One was translated by Nirmali Mahanto, my sister Nirmali, please. This Nirmali Mahanto, she already translated my one novel, series of Dasir Saya. And another was translated by Nityananda Sahu, which will be already inaugurated today. Therefore, I extended my heartfelt gratitude to Nityananda Sahu for honoring me with the opportunity to speak at this prestigious gathering. Thank you, Nityananda Sahu. Esteemed guests, in the midst of 19th century, Assam witnessed a series of significant political and social events. The story began in 1860. I repeat, 1860. The story of my novel begins from 1816, when the menacing Man, that is Burmese, Man forces launched a fierce assault on the lands of Assam. The people of the region faced devastation and destruction as their homes were ravaged by the invaders. However, the nightmare did not end there. Just 2 years later, in a cruel twist, the Man force struck again to Assam, transforming Assam into a hunting graveyard. The once vibrant and prosperous land was shrouded in grief and despair, with the people enduring unimaginable hardship and mournful loss of their beloved homeplace. In the year 1826, a significant event occurred that would shape the fate of Assam. Subjecting Assam their authority, the Yangabu Treaty marked the beginning of British rule over the region, subjecting Assam their authority. Unfortunately, this new era posed challenges to the preservation of Assam's vibrant culture and language. However, a dedicated group of forward-thinking individuals emerged, determined to revive the pride of Assam's language and heritage. Their relentless efforts not only revitalized the Assamese culture and language, but also sparked forth numerous positive developments and enriched both the literary and ethnic life of Assam. The revival of Assamese culture and language served as a beacon of hope, ensuring that the heritage of this subjugated state would be endured and thrive despite the challenges imposed by the British rule. These historical events are portrayed in the novel Deul. The novel was published in a leading Assamese magazine in a serial form from 2018, and later it was published in a book form in 2020. परम श्रद्धार सुधीबृंद मैं खुशी হয়েছি যে এপরি গ্রন্থটি শ্রী নিত্যানন্দ সাহু মহাশয় ওড়িয়ারে অনুবাদ করেছেন। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ମୋର ଆନ୍ତରିକ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ ଆଉ ପ୍ରକାଶକଙ୍କୁ ବି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। ଏହି ଅନୁବାଦର ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଶ୍ରୀ ସାହୁ ঊনবিଂଶ শতাব্দীর আসামর সামাজিক রাজনৈতিক ও অর্থনৈতিক পরিবেশক নিয়মকু লিখিত এক অসমীয়া উপন্যাস পঢ়িବାକୁ পাঠকক পাই সুবিধা কৰিদেলা। গ্ৰন্থ দুইটিৰ মাধ্যমেৰে ସେହି ସମୟର অসমীয়া সমাজ জীৱনৰ চিন্তা ଓ মননକୁ ଜାଣିବାରେ ସୁବିଧା କରିଦେଲେ ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସାହିତ୍ୟକୁ এক নূয়া গ্রন্থ উপহার দেলে। ଏହି ତିନି କାରଣରୁ ଶ୍ରୀ ନିତ୍ୟାନନ୍ଦ ସାହୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଓ ଅସମିয়া ପାଠକଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦର ପାତ୍ର। ମୁଁ ପୁନଃ ନିତ୍ୟାନନ୍ଦ ସାହୁଙ୍କୁ କୃତଜ୍ଞତା ଜଣାଉଛି ମୋତେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପାଠକମାନଙ୍କ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ପରିଚିତ କରାଇ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ। ତାଙ୍କର ଏହି ଅନୁବାଦ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଓ ଅସମିଆ ସମାଜର ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସମନ୍ୱୟର ସେତୁ ଗଢ଼ିଲା। ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତ ଲୋକ ସୁଖରେ ରହନ୍ତୁ ଓ ଏହି ସୁଖର କାରଣ ହୋଇ ଭାଷା ସାହିତ୍ୟ और मानवଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ପ୍ରେମ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭଲ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ।